everybody, my name is Mike and welcome to Freddy's Overhauled Pizzeria. Now this pizzeria is a newly built pizzeria. As you can see, it is next to our pizzeria that we built together and next to these other pizzerias that I have yet to finish. But this is, it's gonna be like a showcase and also trying to survive the night shift, maybe 2 night shifts, I don't know. We'll see. So, going inside. Okay, first of all, there's some dino booths here, some pizzas, right? Some more stuff, more dino booths, even some nice little posters. Then we got some arcade games, some palm trees. Then we have some children's drawings. We have here 2 menus on what you can order, and also a dance game, but it's out of order. We also have this puzzle thing here, but I just don't seem to. I don't know how to do it. Okay, over here. This is the main stage, the main cast of characters. We got Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, Fredbear, and Spring Bonnie. All here in glamorous HD textures. Yeah. We got some, this thing here. It blinks. But only when the show starts and when the show ends. So, yeah. Overall, really love the stage and the stage blocks. Look, it's grass. We're touching grass. We're touching grass in Minecraft, guys. Look, we're touching grass. Tough. We got some carpets over here for the little babies to play. You bring your own toys, and you just let the little babies play. I mean, it's a nice spot, but just don't let them roam into the employees only section. Oh yeah, I spent a lot of time, probably way more time than needed, making this whole employee section. But hold on, let me show you. Okay, so sun, camera, pizza, storage, pond, beach, tree, yeah. And Freddy cut out. Then over here we have the kitchen. This is where they cook the pizzas. Got some more storage. Got this. Got that. Got soda machines. Ketchup! Mustard! Salt! Pepper! And we got some more items. Some boxes. Some crates. Some kitchen utensils. All of that. We got some pans, pots. Mustard! Yeah. Then over here, this is just a little, desk. This is where they do all of the paperwork, taxes, and the bills. So probably the most boring thing here. Poster. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have a monitor here, and this right here is the camera. Now, right here, we have a big old shelf with cup of TXE.
What the devil? 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 What the devil?
Yeah. And over here we have our little desk here and some more storage, even some more storage. This is where they keep all the spare animatronics that we don't use anymore. My lawyers and my legal team probably, my lawyer said I shouldn't say what happened to these fun time animatronics. What I will say is they captured kids. No. They captured remnant from kids. Oh wait, I shouldn't. No! Oh yeah, and this is where they shoot all of the commercials. Got a lot of stage lights, and then over here, press this and you start recording. But some dummy broke the camera. See, there's literally nothing inside of the camera. No components, no parts, no lenses, nothing. It's literally made out of plastic. It's useless.
What the devil?
Yeah, what the devil?
What the devil?
What the devil? Going over here. This right here is the office with our new super deluxe back support mega cool gaming chair. But I can only play cool math games on this Mac laptop, and I only have $200. Wow! I have literally no money. So yeah, that's like it. We got more items, some paper pals. I really like the show. Okay. So I have couple of new mods and some more stuff, items, stuff like that. It just makes, you know, pizzeria feel much more alive. And I'm using the mod. Management wanted more decor, so it gives me more management wanted decor, such as Master and the soda machine, and also these cool kitchen trays. They're really cool. So yeah, I would recommend using that mod. But enough dilly-dallying. Let's do the night shift. Yay! Okay, zip zap soup. Oh, it's midnight. Let's go check the camera. Say, look, it's no. Oh, it's creepy. Feel like I'm playing one of those creepy you know, one of those like FNAF for free games, you know, the creepypasta ones where like everything is dark and they're just corrupted animatronics everywhere. You know what I mean? Oh, I shouldn't have said that. No, I'm terrified that you might crawl up on me. Dark. I genuinely cannot see anything, okay? I genuinely cannot see anything. Like, maybe in the video recording, you guys might be able to say something, but currently in my room, it's pretty bright, so can't really make out anything. I mean, I might make this scare better. Much better. Is that something? Is that an animatronic? I can't see. They have bad eyesight. Okay, I can tell that's an animatronic. They're spitting on the table. Oh! Oh, I didn't see Bonnie there. Didn't see Bonnie. Hey, I can't see anything. I can't see anything. I genuinely can't see anything. It's so terrifying. That's it. Bonnie. The cameras. They're absolutely useless. Oh. Okay, this is like a poop your pants experience. Very emotional experience. Because you get to poop your pants. Emotionally. You get to poop your pants. You get to poop your pants. Reverb plus slow down plus funk plus remix 2026. Yeah. Hey Chica, can you just like, nobody cares about you, Chica. You're like the least favorite character in the entire series. Like, genuinely. Yeah. For a second I thought it said pepperoni pizza. Made out of paper. Yum yum pizza. It's worth every calorie. Yeah, I bet you want some pizza. Can you move your big foot? Okay, that's Freddy Fazbear. I can see. His big old glowing eyes do not help his game. Hey, do you have a flashlight? Maybe I need a flashlight. Oh, nope. Nope. No, 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 no. Where are the fast bros? Okay, it's ready. Okay. See, the problem is I can't see anything. Is there something over there? I can't see. This was a terrible idea. Okay, the lights are on. Maybe I can actually see something from the cameras. Yeah, still gloomy and bad, and crusty, dusty, musty, but it's visible. You can stop. Okay, I apologize for what I've said, but it's true. Okay, I am speaking facts, no printer. Okay, because I'm a human, not a printer. That printer is not human, dog. Hey yo, we need Enrique. Okay, I mean when the lights are on, it isn't that terrifying. Did I just see Chuck E. Cheese? Hold on guys. Can you guys like stop? Okay, if you guys saw Chuck E. Cheese, is Chuck E. Cheese the new FNAF character? Is that Chuck E. Cheese? I don't think that was Chuck E. Cheese. Oh, 6 a.m. That went awfully a little bit too fast. Okay, we're gonna do some more midnight magic, but I'm gonna do my flashlight magic and give myself. What? Me-self? What is me-self? It's myself. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna give myself a flashlight and also some diapers, and I'm also gonna make it midnight. Zip zap zoop, it is now midnight. Well, it's midnight, and I got myself some XXL size diapers because they're gonna need to hold a lot, and I also got myself a flashlight, so they might not need to hold that much. Still though, I mean, how do my diapers count as armor? That doesn't make any sense. Are diapers considered armor? They work against swords? Do they work against animatronic fights? I don't think so. But yeah, despite me having a flashlight, it's still awfully dark. Something can just creep up on me, but I think the chairs are doing a good job at the. Did they just do a 360? Oh no, he done did a 360 on me. Hey, another yellow character that nobody cares about is coming over here. You're only important in the lore. If you weren't important in the lore, nah. Flashlight died. That one scared me bad, really bad. I closed the door. You can leave now. Holmes, Sherlock Holmes. Okay, let me read some of these papers. The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a multi-stage. Take me! Wait. Is that your cousin? Hey, yo, look, it's Fredbear's cousin. Red Bear. No, that's our character. Ed Bear. Yeah, Fredbear and Ed Bear. Dude, the camera should have started. Stop! We're recording a movie. Chica. very scary. Top nothing creeps up on me. That's Revolution. That's Revolution. Yeah. My bad. I thought Freddy was doing a photo shoot. I thought I lost him back there, or at least he followed me. But that was my bad. I apologize. Oh, I'm back at my apartment. Yes, very nice. Picocopia. Let's hope nothing jumps me in the street. Yeah, my car. Look, guys, this is how you drive a car. Okay, first of all, get in the car, right? Then you have to turn your engine on, right? Then you gotta go full throttle. Full throttle. If there's something in the way, you run over it. This is how you drive cars. At least in America. I am currently going 33.zip miles per hour. Stop! Handbrake! Perfect driving, man. Look at how perfectly I parked. I definitely didn't park in the middle of the street. Hola? They're not reacting. No, they react, yeah. Fattest bear of the month. What time is it? 5 AM. Okay, thank God. Now I'm gonna play some video games. 30! This is $32. Let's buy something nice, not expensive. And they all go back. You have very terrible pathfinding, but Red Bay, you're not playing Dance Revolution. You need to go back on stage. So you guys can teleport now, okay? Yeah, okay. Teleporting animatronics definitely not terrifying or pants pooping or anything like that. No, that's perfectly fine. That's perfectly okay. Well, that's not okay with me, but I'm gonna eat my pizza right now. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was crazy. It was fun. At the end, I didn't need my diapers. So I just wasted $23 on an extra large diaper box with extra large diapers. Adult diapers, because I'm a man! Well, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was crazy. It was fun. And, ciao.